Welcome to this explainer. Are you totally exhausted trying to track health habits across 10 different apps? We call that the fragmentation problem. Your diet, sleep, and medical info are stuck in totally isolated silos. That disconnect creates massive blind spots. But today, we're reviewing a premium tool that solves this instantly. Meet the Holistic Health OS. It's a beautifully unified lifestyle operating system designed for ultimate productivity. It brilliantly centralizes your physical and mental well-being right into one highly functional, super aesthetic space. This powerful system is built on 4 core pillars of personal architecture to map your entire life. It literally covers everything, from setting psychological foundations and hourly execution to tracking biology and medical interventions. So let's look under the hood. We'll see how these stunning, centralized dashboards actually work in practice. The daily self-care page is meticulous. It easily maps out your daily nutrition, hydration, exercise, and mood. Need to track medical logistics? It systematically logs appointments, costs, and daily symptom severity with incredible precision. Plus, it effortlessly integrates detailed workout plans right next to your daily habit trackers and intense schedules. This planner maps all your crucial, everyday data points into one complete, undeniable picture of your health. The architecture is built. The dashboards are totally centralized. Your exciting new baseline starts right here. It's time to step up and finally take systematic control of your mind, body, and time today. If you want to buy this product, click the link in the description.